Ako. I'm really sorry. I'm not really friendly to dog. I'm so scared. So instead of walking back home, oy, 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 ay good tawag dool diri gino ko tabang. Si, 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 si. I'm waiting for my partner to pick me. I'm so scared. See that? And not only one dog, there are okay, the other one dog, the one that is limping, it's okay, but the two dogs there. Just at the road now, because I'm out from cleaning, and usually I walk back home, but then it's like this. There's one dog there, another dog there far. Cannot see. It's too far. And that one, the black. Oh, see? I'm far already and still barking me. Oh my god. Luckily that two dog already gone. I'm too scared. I always bring a stick. I'm not going to hit the dog. I will just scare them. This is the road and I go to work. Oh, here. Here na. I'm scared. Now, my partner picked me. I'm too scared. Luckily, he arrived. Oh my god. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm now safe.